Hello and welcome to another episode of Making Diablo clone in Lisp. So yeah, today I'm a little bit late, so sorry for that. I certainly gotta have to work on my schedule. So yeah, where was I? I'm going to be working today on isometric maths, again, as in previous week and in this week in Russian stream. So yeah, the problem is that in Vimo, currently if I move the cursor over some, tiles in the world, I have... Yeah, why haven't I commented out this guy? But anyway, the problem is that when I move the cursor over those tiles, they're not like selected properly. And yeah, the thing is, in all other code paths, I think the conversion between isometric and orthogonal maths are perfect. Well, mostly, I think. But in this case, it is something is off. Something is certainly off. So yeah, I've implemented this new way to calculate the coordinates based on insight I had this week, which is demonstrated by this purple rectangle. But as you can see, it's not ideal either. So yeah, I gotta work on that. Right, so I had this another idea that probably I shouldn't be drawing the rectangle, and probably... Let me switch to chat. Oh yeah, hello, hi. Only yeah. Right, hi guys. So, right, the thing is, where was I? Yeah, probably I should be drawing a rhombus instead of rectangle. But then again, would it change anything? Don't think so. Right, so, yeah, I gotta work on those coordinates, and I had another insight, actually, just as I was working today. Yeah, I had another insight, and this insight is that the problem is that I'm doing this round operation, like this, well, rounding till the nearest integer. And the problem might be that it kind of turns it, I mean, in this screen space, it kind of makes it into a rectangle, when what it should be doing, it should be transforming it into a rhombus. As you can see, the tiles are rhombuses. So yeah, I probably shouldn't be doing rounding as it is. Probably I should do some weird aberration. Sasha from Russia. Mane Akasha. Yeah, that happens. Well, today is English stream, so yeah, that's that. The Russian stream will be on the next Tuesday, and probably on some other weekday, but that's not really... well, not exactly true, but that might be. It's just random. Yeah, today's English stream. Yeah, I also haven't updated the titles in time, but I'm pretty sure the title on Twitch should say EN in the square brackets. And I also have to start the screen key tool. Give me just a moment. Screen key, yeah, here we go. So would that work? Yeah, it is working. Okay, cool. So where was I? Yeah, right, the coordinates. So I have to implement yet another way to kind of calculate those. Let me see. First of all, where am I drawing this purple one? Here, yeah, that's it. Okay, so... Yeah, and that's how that actually works. So I'm moving the cursor here, and it highlights, it draws the name of health potion item here. So yeah, that's meh. Alright, so... Well, first of all, why is it like that? Okay, I had this way to determine where's the coordinate of that item, so give me a moment. Yeah, it should be 3 and 2. But then again, I can't figure out why there's 0 in that list. I mean, should it be here? I'm not entirely sure. Sparse metric indices. So it is a hash table, right? Oh. No, wait a sec. Hash to plist. Okay, so what is sparse matrix indices again? Okay, that's a hash table. So hash to plist. Oh. So that is the value, is it? Weird. That's weird. Well, let me just try and get that thing from the hash value. What's the arguments again? I forgot. A little help here, Emacs? No? Okay. Hash value. Okay, no, not that help, but the other. No, I don't want. Yeah, console. Hash value. No? Okay, that is very bad behavior from Emacs, but yeah, let me just Google that. Hash value in Lisp, hash tables. Yeah, come on, just give me... Oh yeah, okay, I forgot actual way, which is again embarrassing, but then again I wasn't writing in Common Lisp for quite a while recently. So yeah, get hash. What's arguments? Okay, key, hash table. So key should be at least 3.2, is it? Oh, sorry, that should be literal list. Okay, 0. What does... Oh yeah, I remember, that's the sparse matrix, which means 0 is indexed in some other array. That all makes sense. That makes total sense. Okay, awesome, amazing. So what's next? 3 and 2 are the coordinates of this item, and those are actually orthogonal, right? It's orthogonal 3, 2. Because I'm storing all the coordinates in the orthogonal, what's the word, coordinate system. So the thing is, yeah, I'm only converting those into isometric when I gotta actually draw them. Okay. But then again, why do I need this conversion here? Yes, so I'm doing, what I'm actually doing here, I'm trying to pick the orthogonal tile to get the actual orthogonal coordinate based on screen coordinate, right? So I'm doing isometric to screen. Wait a second. No, I'm doing orthogonal to isometric. Again, why am I doing this? Okay, at this point I'm just lost. So what's the way of, well, data here? I get mouse position. Then I call viewport to absolute, which just translates it to the... Well, it kind of subtracts... What does it subtract? The position of camera and like the screen width. So yeah, I'm getting the like absolute coordinates. What I'm doing next is... Yes, I have this cursor x, cursor y. Then I'm kinda doing conversion to tile and then do isometric to orthogonal, because those screen, the screen coordinates are isometric, right? That's right. They are isometric because I'm drawing everything in isometric. So then I'm converting this to orthogonal. So that's like the main character here. The main character. Yeah, right. So let me just maybe try and kinda, I don't know, comment all of that for a moment. Even this let, so, oops. So this goes here, yeah, right, and then just comment everything. Alrighty. What was that? Oh yeah, style warnings, cursor X is not used. So, I also think I have to comment these debug texts so they just don't, well, I'm not distracted by those. Let me just quickly switch the music track because this one's too set, and I'm too set already. Okay. Right, where was I? This debug text. I should comment that. Okay, why is it still... Oh, unbalanced parentheses. I'm sorry. Where exactly? Yeah, I think here. Okay, that's that. So what's next? Calc colored. Why? Where? Calc colored. But I've commented that. How come? Oh, it's just not updated. So how can I? God damn it! So I gotta restart the whole thing, I guess. I mean, why it is not working when I've just commented that? How is that even working? Okay, add the back text designators. Oh yeah, I see. Right. Yeah, I already killed the game, but probably I should have some helper function which clears this list. Yeah, right. Let me just leave a quick comment. Helper function to what? To clear a list of backtexts. Backtexts. Okay, got it. Right. Let me just get the back. So yeah, okay. Let me start again. Nope, this one. Alrighty then, new game it is. So I have some target ISO and ortho. And why do we have that? Target, god damn it. Target ISO. Oh, hello. Target player. Okay, that's the way how it is currently calculated. So what are we doing here? We call in mouse position. So again, we're getting the mouse position. Then we call viewport to absolute again. Yeah, to just take into account the camera and where it is located in the world. And yeah, let me think for a moment. Is that also subject to isometric to orthogonal conversions? The camera position in the world. Oh, wait just for a moment. Yeah, okay, so I'm just adding those camera X and camera Y. But the thing is that, okay, there is a slight problem here. Let me demonstrate. So the thing is, I feed to this function these coordinates x and y, which comes just from the mouse event or whatever. It's just the screen coordinates, right? Just a pixel on the screen. But I'm drawing in the screen in isometric coordinates, right? So those x and y are actually isometric. But then I'm taking camera x and camera y, which comes from this macro with screen coordinate, which takes camera entity and basically just gets... What does it do? Wait a sec. Camera entity with screen coordinate. Camera X, camera Y. Oh yeah, I think that probably... there might not be the error I thought it is. Okay, so with what does this macro do? With screen coordinate. Executes body with entities screen pixel coordinates bound to the symbols and bindings list. Entities screen pixel coordinates entity. So with coordinate map x, map y. Oh, we call orthogonal to screen. Okay, and this does what? Translates into screen coordinates, and this calls orthogonal to isometric. So I guess that's fine, I think. Yeah, it should be, because those camera X and camera Y are also isometric. Phew, okay, nice. So where was I then? Oh, yeah, we convert this position, this mouse position, to the absolute coordinates, and then we call this function screen to orthogonal, which takes isometric screen coordinates and translates those into orthogonal ones. Using what? Using... wait a moment. So screen to isometric just multiplies by... I mean, it should be multiplying only by a tile width and tile height and whatever. But it does something more. It translates screen coordinates into isometric coordinates, taking tile staggering into account. Alrighty. Not sure this is precisely right, but let's just get on with it. Okay, taking staggering into account. So, yeah, alright. Screen to orthogonal. And I don't even have screen to orthogonal without a star. That is, without taking staggering into account. Okay, alright. Yeah, this stream is going to be painful, for me at least. Because these maths have been like a huge pain in the ass, like the whole time I've been developing this game, and this has been almost 2 years now. Wow. Yeah, okay, so we convert those screen coordinates into orthogonal ones, taking staggering into account. And those are like the actual world coordinates, so they are not pixel, they are like the tiles, right? So what do we do with those? We got this new x and new y. And then we basically just work with that, right? And then we do this rounding, which is, I'm most sure, is not correct. Because if you round the isometric coordinates, yeah, you get the like rectangle in screen, right? But in the orthogonal coordinates, you like get this weird shape, probably rhombus, and you don't want to get rhombus in isometric system. You want to get a rectangle. So what exactly is amazing? Sorry. Right, so I don't want to be doing this rounding, I think, first. Okay, and then what else? And then I think I probably, just to be sure, I want to be drawing this, this debug rectangle, not here. What's that? Some warnings. Yeah, right. But I rather wanted to be drawing it where to here probably. I'm not exactly sure. Probably I should replicate that thing there. Yeah, right. Let me just paste that, and then I'm just going to copy this code from target player, right? This code to calculate the those coordinates. Yeah, this is those coordinates, and then just put it here. Okay. Oh, this is just the same as here. This is just the variable names that are different. Alrighty, new x and new y. Right, so I want to add the back rectangle. So what are those x and y actually? Just it's a rectangle with screen coordinates x, y. Okay. So the thing is, I do some other maths here to convert those calculated orthogonal coordinates back to screen coordinates to draw this debugging thing. And this is another place for a mistake, right? It's not really orthogonal. Well, I think it only does... What does it do? Little value bind. Ooh. Yeah, that's a lot of code. Okay, let me think just for a moment. So what if I... what if I just multiply those by tile size and just draw it? Just go ahead and draw it. So let me just switch to coordinates. Where was it? Coordinate system. Do I have something simple for that? Just multiply by sizes. Yeah, I think that's it. Isometric to screen. Translates isometric coordinates XY into screen coordinates. Looks perfect. And probably I shouldn't be taking staggering into account because it has already been done previously. So, isometric to screen it is. So I think I want to, yeah, just call, no, I want to multiple value bind. God damn it, why? Yeah, okay, multiple value bind, so like, I don't know, X and Y. And then I want to call this isometric to screen, and then the arguments would be those cursor map X and cursor map Y. I'm not sure why I've called those this way, but whatever. Cursor map Y. Alright, so we bound those and we can just draw this thing. So let's see where... Okay, yeah, I was sure it would happen. So I think if I press anything at this point, the whole thing will terminate. And I can't even see the continue restart, and I think my Emacs is stuck. God damn it. Yeah, sure. Awesome. Just awesome. Okay, I wait. Oh, yeah, here we go. It was just getting a stack trace. So, I think at this point I can just... Yeah, probably I can retry... Wow. That is interesting. So it like restarted... Sorry, it restarted like the whole game without me doing it. I mean, it's still lame, but kinda cool in the same time. Okay, where was I? I was missing this like debugging, like this configuration option, debug cursor. So let me just put it here with blah blah blah. Yeah, here I go. Okay, now it should be working. Wait, what? Let me just compile again. Oh, that's a lot of warnings here. Cursor X. Yeah, whatever. So this compiled without warnings. I mean, this bit. Okay, so what if I... Oh, yeah, hello. So now the problem is that I think that this coordinate, like, is not absolute or something. I'm not entirely sure. This looks odd. So I'm moving the mouse like horizontally, but this debugging rectangle is moving diagonally. What the heck? I'm missing something here. The trick is that I most probably converted, like I've screwed, and some isometric coordinate is treated like orthogonal. So what am I doing here? Isometric to screen. This just multiplies, yeah, by tile width, tile height. Okay. So this debugging line says, well, it actually says the same thing as this cursor map X and cursor map Y. So, and it is not moving, which is odd. I mean, what the heck? Yeah, let me just move that code here then. Yeah, this is getting weary. Symmetric. Wait, what's... Why? How? Oh, wait. This cursor map X and cursor map Y are, in fact, orthogonal. Okay. Alrighty. So the thing is, I want to convert it, like, again to... Okay, I'm just lost here. So okay, first of all, this debug line, goddammit, new X, yeah, sure, exactly. Okay, let me just comment this code for a moment. And probably compile again. Nope. Continue, no, use value, 0. New A, new Y is unbound, so 1, 0. God damn it. Retry. This is fun. I mean, how retry restart does like the whole... Oh, it kind of retries the last sly request, right? And my last sly request was to call a demo function. Okay. And then my Emacs stuck again? No, it's not. Okay, all right. So, let me just quickly kill that thing. Okay, so then again, I'm screwing... Like, I'm mixing up orthogonal and isometric coordinates here. The thing is that... Okay, so if I omit this extra steps of conversion and whatever, the thing is that what I'm basically doing is just I'm drawing the same rectangle just where the cursor is, right? So how do I... Just give me a moment, I will try that. Thanks, mate. So where was I? Yeah, right. So somehow I want... Okay, I want to remove that crap first, and then I want to call just this, right? Viewport to absolute. I probably shouldn't even be calling that. I just gonna bind this, bind to X and Y, and then call this mouse position thing. Why frame have only 60 FPS? Well, I think this goes, I mean, this comes from the like middleware library, libAllegro, which I'm using. It's kind of hard-coded into that. And well, I'm happy with that. You gotta cap frame rate at some point, and 60 looks like perfect candidate for that. I mean, the human eye couldn't even catch more than 60 FPS, so why not? Alright, so yeah, that's the thing. So now this rectangle is like bound to cursor, right? Right. So what am I trying to do? I'm trying to kind of quantize, if that's the word, and if that is making any sense. I want to kind of quantize it by the tiles, right? So I want it to stick to the actual tiles. And yeah, for that I gotta make rounding at some point. Now I gotta fix this. I will fix this at some point. If only I wasn't so bad with geometry. Okay, right. So, viewport absolute. Okay, so I'm gonna comment that. That was fun. So, debug text. Yeah, right, and I probably should be working with those converted coordinates, those orthogonal to isometric, new x and new y. Why call it? Yeah, isometric. So I want to use here cursor map x and cursor map y. Right. So then, So then I'm gonna call those, I don't know, iso x, iso y, and then put it here and draw it on the screen. And then those are orthogonal ones, right? And those would be those two. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, all right. So I got this debug text, and then let's do the thing. Yeah, so basically just convert that back. Yeah, right, and the idea that is if I convert those coordinates first to isometric coordinate system and then convert back to orthogonal and just draw it on the screen, it should work the same. I should just have this cursor, like this rectangle stick to cursor, right? Okay, so let's try that. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so we got isometric, and then we call, what do we call? Isometric, dun, 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 cursor map. Yeah, right. So those should be iso x and iso y. X and y, and then just draw this, and then I think I need this parenthesis. Do I? Yeah, I do. Okay, so let's see. The variable isox defined but not used. How come? I think it happens here. Yeah, here I can't see any warnings. It kind of works, but it doesn't work the same. Now let me just move my character here. So I think I'm missing the backwards conversion to, like, from the local to absolute coordinates. So I should do that as well, I think. Somewhere here. Okay, so I have this viewport to absolute, then I should have the reverse one, absolute to viewport. Yeah, this one. And this works, I think it should work with any type of variable types, right? Okay, so absolute to viewport it is. So it works with pixels, right? Converts given integer. Oh, it goes with integer absolute screen coordinates to viewport coordinates. So let's see, x, y, isometric to screen. Right, so let's just do multiple value call here. Multiple, god damn it, value call. So we're gonna call, nope, we're gonna call absolute to viewport, god damn it, on the result of this isometric to screen, right? Okay, that compiled, and that works even. But then again, a bit weird. So as you can see, yeah, I think that's because of the staggering. Right, so it moves like half, like some pixels to the left when I just move the cursor like that. Yeah, so it definitely takes staggering into account, but that kind of should help, right? So if you move your cursor over the map, it should go a little bit there to the, to the left on even rows and again to the right on odd, right? But the problem is that I think it's not really in line with the rows. Yes, it's not. Okay, so we start here, being unstaggered when we move here, and we get staggering only here, and then we move. Yeah, I'm definitely missing like 2-factor somewhere. That's definitely a problem here. Okay, so let's see. We have this screen orthogonal where this staggering accounting takes place, and it just delegates to here. Right, and the thing is, I think this is not quite right. Let me just think for a moment. So is it in, yeah, it is in line, god damn it. So probably to debug this, I kind of want to uninline it. Oh man. Yeah, I also had this idea like to do this inlining to only work on like the highest ways of optimization. The thing is, can I actually do that? Okay, this is a bit of derailing, but yeah, let me just write down what I got here. There's a problem with the, how do I put it, with how this takes rows into account, missing like probably this 1/2 factor somewhere, I mean by the looks of it. Okay, so yeah, the thing is that I want to improve a code a bit here by making all of those functions inline only when optimization level is high enough. So can I actually do that? I wonder. Let me just try and Google that. So, common Lisp optimization, goddammit, optimization level something. So yeah, performance tuning, blah blah blah. Should I just close that for a moment? Yeah, let me just close the game for a moment, and yeah, checking the assembly code, whatever. So declare expression. Yeah, that's that, optimize. So can I like catch that in compile time and shut off some of those more time declaration, scopes, optimize, declaring function types, code inline, optimizing generic functions, yeah, whatever, that's optimization level. How do I make this query to Google properly? Optimization in compile time, execution time, optimizing functions, how do I speed up compilation, compile time, optimization, optimize proclamation. I think I was using it somewhere, I just can't remember why. It was something like this kind of macro with like that something, whatever, I can't recall, damn it. Enhance efficiency, blah blah blah. Locally declare, whatever. Standard claim, declare. Okay, let me just have a look at the actual documentation here. So, code inline, blah blah blah, where's that? Yeah, the claim. Optimize. Examples. Combination defined, optimize qualities. There may be other, okay. Different values, code, it's called save code, declare the claim per claim, declaration scope, optimize, declaration never applies to the variable function binding, can only be a free declaration. Okay, optimize quality, symbol, code, optimize quality, one several aspects, blah 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 blah, is optimizing conflict relative properties, establishes optimized declaration. Standardized accumulation, blah 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 blah. Implementation may define additional. Right, I was looking at that already. LISP optimization. Yeah, compile time. I want to get that in compile time, but just the value. I recall I've seen something like that. Component execution time. Yeah, whatever. Compile time type prediction. Wow. Strategies for type case. Successful Lisp. Huh. Okay, let me just dive into Stack Overflow then. Speed up compilation. Apply ret. Compile time generation. What's ret? Red system. Okay, optimizing functions. Let me just search for that. I certainly recall doing something with that. Optimize declaration. Oh, okay. So what do we have? Optimize speed 3. So there are some local optimizations and nothing except that. Okay, what do I have in the actual game? Like my Darkness Lumen demo. So what am I searching for? Optimize. Optimize. Proclaim. Optimize. Okay, what do I have here? Round compile. When find release features, proclaim, optimize, blah 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 blah, safety 1. Why even bother with 1? But whatever. Oh, and then there is this build.lisp. Huh. Okay. Did the clone kit as def make proclaim. So if I'm doing proclaim, this thing is like extra in here. I mean, I don't even need that, I think. Because, yeah, and do I have this release thing somewhere? Release one, find, release. Yeah, I don't even have it anyway. So yeah, this is some dead code I can remove. Okay, but that's not the question here. The question is, how do I get this in compile time? How can I get this optimization value? So probably I should have something in my issue tracker, something written down about that. Let me just search optimize or something. Optimize, memorize in time, blah 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 blah, deploy. Optimize the claim of optimizations in build script. Debug option, yeah, nothing about that. Okay, common Lisp get optimization value. Oops. What can you do with Lisp macros? Eval1. Would eval1 help? Oh, hello. So yeah, I'm trying to get this optimization. Well, okay, so the idea is that I don't want a lot of functions to be inline when I'm debugging code. And the idea is that if I can get optimization value at compile time, I can turn off inlining, right? I mean, if optimization level is not high enough. And I recall I was getting like optimization value, like the one from the claim optimize, right? I recall I was getting it in compile time somewhere, or I've seen that in some library. I can't just recall how. So if I've done, basically, if I've made like proclaim, like, I don't know, optimize like speed 3, So then how do I get this value of 3 in like programmatical way? Yeah, that's the idea. So how? I can't recall. I totally seen that around compile. No, that's not. I mean, I've used that trick, but no. Optimization will low safety. Yeah, and probably something like that. So have it as some variable, right? Okay, probably I can have just some symbol in features, right? In like star features, star. Oh yeah, that's the thing I was trying to remember. Yeah, that's the idea. And then let me just think for a moment. Yeah, I probably can do it that way. That is about Python, is it? Oh, no. Yeah, okay. Sure. Links in blacklist? Oh. Give me a moment. I've just done that to be safe from spammers. Yep, just a moment. Well, when? Yeah, hi Mike. Probably I can, but yeah, I think this is a simpler way. Just give me a moment, Andrew, just a moment. I'm not that proficient in Twitch interface. Yeah, damn it. Mode? Nope. Ugh. And I can't even remember where do I shut down this this thing. Wait, what? Ooh, that's interesting. Oof. Okay, let me just check out the private messages then. Just a moment. Okay, thank you very much. Just yeah, compiler policy. Oh, but that's SBCL like extension, right? Or is it SBX with compilation units? No, no, this certainly looks like SBCL extension, and I'm only using. I mean, I'm using different compilers. Yeah, right. I have this idea how to do this very simple. So I'm going to have some non-standard feature in my features variable, which would be like, I don't know, debug. I mean, do I have it already? Probably I do. Okay, how do I find, right? Item debug in features. Features. No, okay, there is not. Show how English stream switched to Russian. Yeah, I mean the stream itself is still English. The comments are in Russian. Okay, so the idea is that I would put this into features every time I want to compile it like in debugging mode. And I would then check it in compile time, right? Kinda like that. That would be quite simple. Plus debug, right? And this should work. I mean, it should, right? Let me just do something like that plus debug. Something like error. Yeah, and then this compiles. But if I put that to features, how do I do that again? Push new, right? Push new debug to features. So if I do that and compile that to now it does not compile because, well, you know, error. So then I could remove that and yeah, the thing is I want it with only when debug is not defined, right? So yeah, that's the idea. I mean, that's simple and elegant, I think. So yeah. Okay, so now I should go over like all of my code base and put that in front of every inline declaration. Okay, let me just do that and then probably even commit that thing. Okay, inline. Diablo debug. Yeah, probably you're right. That might clash with some other libraries. Let's have it something like that. D2C debug. Should I put a dash here or does it look better without a dash? Yeah, those aesthetic questions always puzzle me. How do I... Yeah, let's leave a dash maybe. Okay, so now that compiles, and if I push... nope, how do I... damn it. If I push D2C debug here, yeah, well, it also compiles, but then, yeah, now it is like commented out. So, yeah, that's the idea. D2 dbg. Yeah, yeah, let me just leave it that way. Okay, so now I gotta search for, search for inline, like in the whole code base, and then, yeah, have a list. Oh, how do I? Okay, I think I got it. And then go like over the whole list. Wow, that's a lot of inline declarations, like a whole lot. God damn it. So how many? Yeah, 156 inline functions. Wowzer. Okay, let's just do this. Let's do this. Let me just copy that in a way it would be more pasteable. Is that the word? Pasteable? So I probably should copy like this one, right? So if I put the cursor here and then press like that, yeah, no, wait a sec. Yeah, there's an extra space, so I want only that. Pew. Yeah, like that. Right? On the beginning of the line, and yeah, here we go. Okay, so let's just search locally for inline, and here we go. Probably I should write some macro, but whatever. I'm fine like that. So yeah, need to see the back. Oh, inline. Okay, so how do I paste it here then? Oops. Yeah, here we go. So I've put that into features, right? Yeah, I did. So now it's not effective. Yeah, okay, that's exactly what I wanted. Okay, this would certainly take a while, but yeah, I'm done in this file. And then, yeah, let's go to the next one. So in mob system, oh, not in line. Okay, that makes sense. So now this one, only one instance in this file. Now this one, ooh, yeah, that's also a lot. God damn it, how do I, okay. So this one, and then this, and then this one, and then here, and yeah, for like a solid 10 and 15 minutes, this stream would be very uninteresting to watch, because I would be just pasting those, how those are called, feature expressions, right? Okay, so coordinate system it is. Oh wait, what was it? Debug. Yeah, I think I've changed it. Alright, let's go to combat system then. Equipped weapon class, here we go. So then HP system. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, here we go. So then item system, just one function here. And then what's next? Priority queue. Huh. Alright. Oh, sorry, how did yeah, I forgot the key binding. So again, inline binary search. Wait a sec. Do I even want to uninline that? Yeah, I probably want uninline everything in debug mode to be, well, more debuggable. Inline mid. Yeah, this is the flat, so probably I do want that to be inline anyway. Okay, so let's proceed. Inline. Dun, 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 dun. Oops. Nope. Nope. God damn it. Inline. This one, then simple vector pick. Yeah, something about simple vector. And I probably should have found some library already for this simple vector, but whatever. Okay, got it. So now the next file, which would be character system. Alrighty. Yeah. So then this one, inline make path node. Do I want this to be uninlined? Yeah, probably I do. So then this one, and then remove nth, huh? Not in line, and yeah, I think I'm done here. So then, what's next? Sparse array. Here we go. Index valid p. I wonder why it is defined here, but whatever. Line, and then this sparse array functions. And this one, and yeah, here we go. Okay, so then sound system. Set sound position. Okay. So then renderer. Inline make renderer. Huh, weird. So then just the render function and then do draw, and that's it. So to the next file then, sprite system. I'm close to an end already, I think. Default layer. And then this frame property, inline seconds. Wait, what's, yeah, okay. Just the function to convert seconds, or sorry, milliseconds to seconds, whatever. Okay, mid-frame sound, switch stance. This looks like something internal, but yeah, still for debuggability reasons, I want that uninlined in debug mode. Whew. Yeah, that's weary. That is making me weary. Okay, we're done in this file, and then the next one, data tables. God damn it. I keep hitting the wrong buttons. Yeah, that's also awkward. Okay, so then the next file is components. Oh, the files are not in alphabetical order. That's weird. But, well, that's just how my Silver Searcher is configured. What's that? Gather the... Oh, god damn it, I would have to figure what this macro is about. What's that? Def SOA. So it's what is being inline. Getter declaration. Yeah, I probably also want that to be unaligned. I wonder if that feature expression would work inside the macro. Probably it will. I mean, it should, right? Yeah. So where next? Oh yeah, the setter also. Oops. And then unsafe setter. Wow. And then what's that? Car array accessors. Whatever. Oh, will declaim work if it is just the empty declaim? Oh, it works. Weird. I mean, is it like in standards? So if I do that in CCL, would that work? Claim. Huh. Weird. And in ECL, let's just check all of them. Declaim. Okay, that's nice. And my Emacs is hung again. God damn it. This isn't funny anymore, even. I mean, come on, goddammit. I think this happened after I uncommented this garbage collector magic hack I was having in my Emacs config. Yeah, probably I should comment back this thing. I mean, I have a lot of operating memory, so why would I even need that? Could you please just... Well, Emacs server is kinda, I don't know, the whole thing kinda sounds brittle for me. I mean, it could just break, the process could like break or whatever, I'm not sure. But then again, yeah, my Emacs is broken right now, so... Oh yeah, here we go, hello. Hello, beautiful, and what is that black line? God damn it. Yeah, probably I should go to config right now and just comment this crap back again. And even, like, turn that off. GCM... Wait, what? Yeah, GCM image mode. Disabled. Okay. And then why... How... Where's this... Sorry. Give me just a moment. Okay. Modified... Yes, save, please. So where was I? I was in this REPL... No, this list of... Like, IV list. Where... God damn it. I mean, it was here, right? Where is my IV list of... Oh yeah, AG search. Text inline. This one. Weird. But, okay. So, we're in components, inline, inline. Okay, here we go. So I think I'm done with this file as well. So let's go to the next one, which would be systems. Inline, oops, no, now I have this crap. So let me just copy that again and put it here. So AG search inline, okay. Slot names. So those would be the slots for systems. So I also want those to be unaligned in debug. Okay, what's next? System ref. Okay, got it. So now credit system, just one here. Oh, I think I've stopped fitting like 80 lines with that. God damn it. So I should put it like that. Okay, and the last two files are this one. Here I do fit 80 lines, I think. And then this one. Oh wait, there is one more. But whatever. So just one entry here, and then camera system. No, that's a lot of those still. Okay. Camera system. That was weird. This visible P. Oops. range visible P and oh, I think I already was here, wasn't I? But yeah, anyway, I'm done with this file too. So then actions.lisp. Oh, god damn it, that's a lot of code to delve through. Oops. Yeah, this is very mechanical, but I'm already too reluctant to make any macro in using my evil mode, so whatever. Oh yeah, and now this sparse matrix thing. Remove. Yeah, here we go. Right, so now I'm done with this file, and now player system and yeah, a few more. Okay, where is I? Player system. Here we go. Player entity. Why it is in white now? It should be green, shouldn't it? Weird. Yeah, that was weird. Not in line, and not in line again. Okay, here we go. So then d2 clone kit, like the main file. I'm not even sure what that is, but whatever. And then this one, and then this. Oops. So here we go. And then sprite batch system. Oh, god damn it. Sprite batch system. You can use a mix keyboard macro for semi-automatic inject debuggability in all places are found in line. Emacs keyboard macro inject. Yeah, I think I could, but then again, I'm not entirely sure I know how to do that, and I know how to do that with evil mode. You kinda just press Q and then, or do you press, yeah, Q, and then type some stuff and then press Q again and you're done. But I'm too lazy to do that already at this point. So yeah, I'm almost done. So the sprite batch system, this is, what is that? Oh yeah, code quality report. So then this 4 files left, yay. So map system. Map system, property, and yeah, that's that. So then fs.lisp, which handles things with file system. And yeah, here we go. And then global vector, and then just the last file, yay. So, global vector, which again, I probably should find some replacement in Quick Lisp, but again, too lazy to do that. I recall it was called like a virtue by the author of Perl programming language, Larry Wall. So yeah, the laziness of a programmer. Oh yeah, probably this time I'm taking this too much. Yeah, too much. So yeah, the last file, yay, collision system. God damn it. Nope. And then this one. So yeah, that's that, yay. So now I gotta like restart the Lisp image and then remove the cache, just in case. How do I... like I had some line for that in my history, I'm almost sure, but at that point, yeah, it might be embarrassing. Oh yeah, here we go. So first of all, I think I have some different SBCL version, right? Which one do I have exactly? God damn it, implementation version 218. So 218 it is. Home manager works. This one. Okay, And now, yeah, I want to put that thing into features. Here we go. I think there's less features now than it was previously. Weird. And then I want to just quick load the thing. Get. Here we go. That fast? That's weird. Probably it was cached at some different location, but I'm not sure. Okay, so what now? Now I think I do have all of those uninlined. That is the proper functions. So okay, first of all I gotta close all that crap. Yeah, I should leave that. I wonder why here it is green, but here it is white. Weird. That's just weird. Camera system, and then yeah, config, system. Yeah, whatever. Why am I closing those buffers? So what I was trying to do, I kind of forgot. Yeah, first of all, I think I gotta commit that, right? First of all, let me check. I'm not still entirely sure that works. Oh, yeah, right, minus. So I'm not having this inline or this errors line, but if I change it to plus, yeah, error. Okay, all right, so I gotta commit all of that stuff. So let me see. First of all, I gotta put that to changelog, right? Changelog. So change that. Was it changed, added, removed, or fixed? I think it goes to changed, right? So changed inlined functions to be uninlined in debug mode when D2C. Yeah, probably this goes to the commit itself. Change in debug mode. Here we go. Догадаюсь о чем. Alright, so now I gotta sift through all of that and commit those things. That also would be a bit mechanical, but probably faster. Yeah, right. That's a bit tedious as well. Да, нет проблем. Про минус. А где у меня был минус вместо? А, ну да, типа перепутал полярность. Ага. Так, о чем это я? Да, я коммитил. Окей. So there was like what, 156 of those? Ugh. Well, that's the price of having a performance, huh? Combat system. I wouldn't be counting those. I'm just too weary to do that already. Ugh. At least here the files are sorted alphabetically. Why am I moving the cursor extra steps? Now the credit system, here we go, did a clone kit. D2C debug. Yeah, let's just enjoy music for a moment. And this way to do it, eval when, compile top level, load top level, execute. Yeah, well, but this, let me think for a moment. Oh. Yeah, well, the thing is that I would have to remove all of cached fossils every time I decide to change this thing. But then again, oh, wait a sec, what's that? The claim type or null package, reader package. Huh. Oh yeah, that's the example, okay. Type, null package, reader package. A reader package, huh. This is the, like, rocket science for me, but let me just Google about that. Common LISP. Reader macro, huh? Yeah, the rocket science. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not sure how that would fit with my scenario, but yeah, okay, thanks. Still, I gotta go with that simple way. Yeah, I was just thinking that I probably should have had this eval when form with compile top level and etc. Because yeah, every time I change this thing, I would have to remove fossils because, well, it would be kinda cached into the fossil and compiled into that. But I'm happy with that because anyway, I'm just either debugging all of the time or just like doing the debug build in continuous integration and not in my machine. So basically, I'm just happy with debugging all the time. I just have to not forget to put that every time I decide to work on that. I mean, before quick loading the package. Yeah. Okay, once again, let's just listen to music for some time. Yeah, probably, but yeah, I'm gonna just leave that as it is. Yeah. Ooh, what a mess. Yeah, that's a real mess here in my player system where I'm, well, trying to fix that coordinates code. I can't even recall why I started doing that. Man, my memory is so bad these days. Renderer. It is the letter R, so I'm halfway through. Yay. The sound system sparse array. Okay, sparse matrix. And then sprite batch system. Ugh. Sprite system. And then systems. And then UI system. And that's the last file. Yay, so let me check if I haven't left anything. Yeah. Yeah, okay, I haven't left anything, it looks like. So let's commit that then. Am I on develop branch? How do I yeah, okay, let me just check it manually. Branch game dev, data kit. Yeah, I'm on develop. Okay, so I gotta just commit that. Oh yeah, get failed because of 2 long lines. So in character system, in data clone kit, and systems. Okay. Character system. I'm over 80 lines at some points. Oops, how come this happened? Weird. So this one and then this. Okay, and then it was systems, right? So yeah, of course. How do I make it fit into 80 lines? Yeah, something like that. And then it was the clone kit, right? Kit.lisp. So we're here. Oh yeah, I can see that. And then I have to re-add those into index, right? So this one, and then systems, and then in the clone kit here. Okay, and I gotta copy the message, the commit message from changelog. Oops. Oh yeah, and I also have to commit to changelog, right? So yeah, got it. I think I got it. So let's commit that. Change to inline functions to be on the line to debug mode. Use D2C debug feature. Okay, let me just quickly sift through those changes. Those look correct. Alright, I was just pasting everything, so it should be fine. It should be just fine, right? I'm going to commit that, but wouldn't push it yet, in case I've just made some mistake and, well, not to force push again. Right. Only like run project. What do you mean? Another one? Yeah, probably. That would be fun. Oh yeah, you mean run that. That also would do the trick. So I want to, no, in package, goddammit. And then call demo. So yeah, that's still, it looks like it's working, but a bit slower. Or am I delusional? Yeah, probably I am delusional. So what I was trying to do, again, I kind of forgot. So I was doing some messy stuff in player system, and what was I doing again? Targets, blah 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 blah. Absolute 2. Oh yeah, I remember. I was going to go to absolute 2 viewport, and then change. No, not that. Isometric to screen. Yeah, the problem was that this staggering is not working properly. Like it works like in a whole, like 2 rows, right? And that's not correct. It is like 2 times like wider than it should, right? Yeah, right. So isometric to screen. No, the problem is here in screen to orthogonal, which in turn calls screen to isometric, which in turn, yeah, does this stuff. And yeah, there's my comment. So floor tile width 2. So values covers ISO Y. Right, iso X and iso Y. So somewhere here. Yeah, let's just randomly poke at this formula. Let's just do that. Oh. Yeah, it doesn't look nice. So let's just put that back. Floor tile width. Okay, so what is happening here? X. And then it is, I like subtract ups floor by 2. Wait, what this 2 is about? Oh, reminder. Floor iso Y, floor tile width. Okay, what if I do that? Oh, so now okay, so now it looks like it is more correct. At least it seems that way. I'm not sure. No, it is the same. Wait, or is it not? So where you can see how you manage output window, game loop, and other interactions with it. Yeah, sure, no problem. So output window. Yeah, okay, I'm calling this dema function, which in turn, let me switch. Good. So what does it do? It calls this function start engine, which, well, initializes all of the stuff, takes this like scene description. It is basically the objects that should be in the scene, and just, well, starts the whole thing. It also, I think, it initializes liballegro here. So yeah, start engine, what does it do? It basically starts AL run main with this callback run engine, which, yeah, in turn initializes all of the Allegro stuff, and also the output window, which is initialized by, let me just find it, AL display something. Give me just a moment, it was somewhere here. Set window title, somewhere here. Tables, no. It was here, I swear. Display window, no, it was after that. Display option, yeah, here it is. Display is the result of call to AL create display. So then the game loop, yeah, so the game loop is basically started also here. I have this unwind protect, and then it calls game loop with some event queue. And then after that, it just shuts everything down, so initializes everything back. So here's this function game loop, which does actual game loop, which is, well, the actual loop. I kind of take the input, like then calculate the delta time, call update on the systems, call Joe, and here we go again. And then, yeah, so basically here are the most interactions. So, well, if I change some function in REPL, I mean, and hit Ctrl-C, Ctrl-C, it just recompiles on the fly, and it is being used by the game loop on the next iteration. So that's, yeah, that's the beauty of Common Lisp, as you surely know. So yeah, that's the idea. If you have any specific questions, just shoot. And I'm gonna just have some soda. Yeah. That one's tasty. Okay, so I'm gonna to change back to this player thing. No, I was in, yeah, player system. Okay, so screen orthogonal, which calls, okay, where is this comment of mine? Yeah, here we go. So I've changed that from 2 to 1, and I was trying to figure if that changed anything. So I can run it on the SBCL. Yeah, sure. I mean, Allegro, by Allegro, I mean the library lib Allegro. It is quite different from the Allegro Common Lisp. So yeah, that's the source of misunderstanding. Yeah, you surely can run it on SBCL, and it also works with CCL and ECL as well, but with ECL it's very, very slow. Because, well, ECL. You just gotta install the libelagro library, and you just go, if you just get into README of the project, it even lists the command, well, for Ubuntu and derivatives to install the libelagro library. And then if you got a different distribution, well, just search for libelagro in your repositories. Yeah, nice. Okay, so I think this change I just done doesn't actually do anything. Because, yes, I get back here, so let me change back and recompile that. Yeah, it changed nothing. It does the very same thing. The very same thing. Yeah, but at least this trick with inlining works. And, well, un-inlining in debug mode. Alright, I got something off here. Floor. Okay, what if I just divide here by extra 2? Ooh, it was weird. But it still kind of works. So. No, it has gotten worse. So it now changes like once in 4 rows. Right, so I think on the contrary, I should multiply here by 2. Alright. Let's try that. Okay, so now that makes more sense, right? But shouldn't it be in reverse? So it kind of moves that way. And yeah, it should be on reverse. How do I... Okay, so I probably should add here. Okay, so let me see. Nope, it's still wrong. Oh no, wait. It kind of looks wrong. But wait. No, it is right this time, I think. So if I move... So this row is staggered. It is half tile width to the left. And if I kinda move over that tile here, it is... this blue rectangle is also to the left. But then when I move to the next row, which is staggered to the right, it goes to the right too. So now it is right. Yay. Okay, cool. So, is it really right? What if I change it back to 1 here? So, then we move. Yeah, so now it changes only once in 2 rows, which is not correct. So yeah, first of all, it is this bug with extra multiplication by 2. And then there is bug with the actual staggering direction. Okay, so I think I fixed them both. Let me just see if like map maths are still correct. And there are no any artifacts on the boundaries of the map. Yeah, I can't see any. So I think that works, and that is nice. I mean, this might be used somewhere in some macros, probably even indirectly. Yeah, let me just probably to be sure I have to recompile everything. But whatever. Let me just switch back to Polaris system and try what I have to try. I think I've commented something here. So I think targeting is still not very correct. Yeah, but that's probably because of those rounding issues. Okay, so I gotta get back to that later. At least I fixed some bugs, so I can remove that comment. Okay, so let me just restart everything to be sure that if it still works. So I'll remove the cache and then put that thing into features, or probably not. Yeah, let me just do that. And then quick load the clone kit, and then just start it. Here we go. So it appears to be working correctly. Okay, come here, little fella. Okay, he's stuck again. Hello. Come here. Come here, my little children. Okay, so let me just try and kill it. And not drop? That was rude. Rude, man. Very rude. Let me just go here. So I'm just killing you, and you are not dropping any loot? That is just rude. I just relieve you from your existence. And still... Okay, here we go. So now... Oh yeah, I have this weird changes for the maths of the items, right? So let me try and put that back. Where was it? Yeah, here we go, this one. Okay. Alright. So yeah, that still kinda works, but on the extra tile here. And yeah. Round. Huh? Dun, 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 dun. So it looks like the whole tile here is being detected. Right? Yeah. Like this next tile on the top. And then some. Weird, really weird. And then just this half. So like the half of the tile and some area here. I'm just not getting it. Ooh. Okay, I think I'm going to work on that later. So yeah, it's probably all for today. So thank you for watching, and get back next Saturday if you want more. And also check out some midweek streams if you speak Russian, because I would be having some Russian streams probably on Tuesday and probably some other days. So yeah, that's it for today. Take care and goodbye.